Hi, welcome to Draw Tip Tuesday. I got a request to do a little demo on using brush markers. So I'll do a drawing today using a set of gray Sakura Koi markers. And you can buy these in sets or you can buy them separately. These markers come in many colors, but I actually always work with gray. There's a lot of brands that make brush markers like Faber-Castell or Tombow, for example. Let's draw. I always do a little sample on a piece of scrap paper or on a corner of the page, so that I know what shade I can expect. The lid on the marker tells you a little bit about the shade or the color, but it's not always as accurate. What I like about brush markers is that they give you a huge variation in line, thick and thin, and because of the brush tip, the line has an organic feel to it. For today's drawing, I'll start with a line drawing using the darkest color. And from there, I'm going to work my way towards the lighter shades. I often carry a single gray brush marker in my pen case because it's a great tool to quickly add shadow. Like here, adding the cast shadow and dark shades on the subject. And then I would leave it like this, but I have 3 other shades of gray here, so let's use them. This is a bit more of a beige gray, so it seems a perfect fit for the plant pots. And now I will bring a bit more life and variation in the cacti using the lightest gray markers. I like how quick you can work with these markers. They dry very quick and they don't bleed into each other. You can also layer them, and even with one marker you can get great effects. If you feel inspired by this video, then go make something. And share what you make on social media. And use the hashtag DTTInAction so we can see what you made.